Heitor Valente from Brazil.
Hi everyone, my name is Heitor Valente. I'm Brazilian Portuguese, and I hold a bachelor's in sports science from the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro, top 10 university in South America. I just finished a master's degree in sports management from Seoul National University. I've been involved in the sports industry for the past 7 years, working together with decision makers in the industry. And I got to know Dr. Mary, and for sure, I recommend her when it comes to develop your leadership skills, because when it comes to me, especially during this time, this past few weeks that we have been, let's say, learning and sharing together, I got to know a lot and I developed a lot. So many, let's say, hidden skills that I didn't know that I could, let's say, pursue or follow that I had. So enlightened me a lot, these lessons, these seminars that we share together. Is it okay?